In this video, we will learn about right circular cone, and also we will see how to construct one and computation of surface area of right circular cone. First of all, let us understand what we mean by a right circular cone. All of us are familiar with this shape. Now, this is very common when we go for ice cream, softy ice cream, and also when we go for the roasted grams, we get served in a cone. Now this cone has, first let us understand three things: the height from the base, the radius of the circle in the base, this height, and this slant length. So there are three things: radius r, height h, and this slant length l. So we have height. I think I'll put capital H so that it is clear. And then the radius is R, and slant length is L. Slant length is this length. And when we say right, so this angle is 90 degree. So that is why the word right. Circular, because the base is circular. So the base is like this, is a circle. So if we have to construct a right circular cone of say L equal to 7 centimeter and R equal to 3 centimeter. Sorry, we want to construct L equal to 14 centimeter because I have already constructed one and I will use it. So I have constructed one with 14 centimeter and radius equal to 3 centimeter. For that, what we need to do is, we first take a piece of paper or cardboard and then take compass, open compass at 14 centimeter and then draw a circle like this. Okay, so once we do that, then we cut another circle of 3 centimeter, this desired, and then we mark on this circle one edge, and then we start from here and then continue the whole length like this. So this length at the perimeter should be equal to the circumference of this circle, and then we roll it up like this, making sure that the two edges are, and then we stick it like this, and then we get a cone. So we get a cone like this. So this is the cone. Now the cone has how many surfaces? This is one surface, which is the curved surface, and after that there is base. Now if we have a closed cone, then the base will be closed like this. If it is an open cone, then it is a hollow cone. So for getting the roasted gram or softy, it is an open cone. So then the material is poured here. So all of us have seen the cone. Now, what is the formula for surface area? So basically, first let us understand that we cut figure like this, and this is equal to L, and this is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Now this is the area of this shape is the area of the curved surface, because we have used the same cardboard to make the cone. So the area of this is equal to, this is length and this is like breadth, it's like a triangle, and the area of this is half into 2 pi r into L. So this is the surface area of the curved surface of the cone. Surface area of curved surface of the cone equal to this much. Now 2 and 2 will cut, and therefore this is equal to pi r L. So in our case, if this was 14 centimeter and if the radius is 3 centimeter, then this 2 pi r will be equal to 2 into 3.14 into 3, which will translate into 18.84 centimeter. And therefore, if we are looking at half pi rl, or the area will be half of 18.84 into 7, which will be 65.94 centimeters square. And again, because this is area, we will write unit in centimeters square. Now, as we have mentioned, we are talking of right circular cone. So this angle is 90 degree. So if L and R is known, so we can always determine H. Or if H and R is known, then we can always determine L. So if the height is given, then L will be equal to under root of H square plus R square. So in any case, if we know the radius and height, we can determine the surface area. Or if we know the slant length, this is called slant length. Slant, I have written here slant. Slant. The word slant means it is tilted. The English meaning of the word slant is tilted, and this is a tilted length. That is why it is called slant. S-L-A-N-T, slant length. And the area of the base is equal to the circumference of the circle, because this is the circle here. So basically what we have learned in this video is what is a right circular cone. Right circular cone, why it is called right circular? Because the base is circular in shape and the vertical angle from the apex, this is also called the apex of the cone, or the top point is also called apex. From the apex on the base, it is a right angle. So this is why it is called right circular cone. And the area, surface area is equal to 2 pi rl. Surface area of the curved surface is equal to 2 pi rl, and we can always get the value of L by using Pythagoras theorem in case the height is given. Thank you.